Kung yung games against B-League teams na banggit kanina ng Chairman Ricky, may plano ano po bang kasama po ba?
May plano. May talks pa kami, ayaw din pagsabi lang muna ng B-League. May plano na baka exhibition game. Tinitingnan namin. So, yun din ang ano, yun din. Gusto din ng mga ibang mga ano katulad ng nakausap ko yung Mongolian, pati Korea. So, tingnan natin. Pero as of now, moving forward kami sa B-League na makalaro natin dito.
May team na ako.
Wala pa. At ano, confidential pa lang sa kanila eh. Sinabi nga ng chairman, sabi ko huwag muna. Pero hindi ko mapigilan si chairman, so nasabi, so yun, tingnan muna natin.
Dito lang ang
Malamang.
To be able to stay the best, there's only one tournament that says that confirms we are the best, and that's the Asian Games, right? So we've gotten that back during the last Asian Games, and we intend to keep that. So that is a medal in our chest that we are the best in Asia in terms of basketball. Now, we recognize that hindi na tayo ang nag-iisa in Asia, but we can still be the best entertainment basketball in Asia. So that's our vision. Today we have leagues in Japan, we have leagues in Korea, we have leagues in Taipei, and all these leagues, our commissioner has started a collaboration with them to be able to bring the best of Asia in basketball. And in order for us to stay the best, we have to lead Asia, not only in basketball, but in organizing Asia. So that is very important for us, because we are the seat of basketball, and they just came. The third, when you talk about collaboration, you have to play with Asia. And the PBA has played with Asia. The PBA is EASL, maybe I should say, he doesn't want me to say it. But we are going to have games with the B-League of Japan, and SBT is now also very much involved in Taiwan. So with the SBP and the PBA, we will stay the best in Asia, but we have to excel. We cannot be the best if we cannot excel. We excel in Gilas. We have the best person to handle Gilas. What's his name? You all know him? Al Francis. And we put that together, and we have the best league that will support Gilas because it has the best players. That I think. And if we do all that, we will remain the best in Asia, but not only the best in Asia, maybe, just maybe, okay, we will be recognized even in the world.
Thank you.